Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, Zara Okbara, back again with another video. So this is my YouTube series part 2, and in this video I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to verify your YouTube channel. If it's your first time dropping by, hi, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. So now many people don't know about their channel verification. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to verify your channel after telling you why you need to verify your channel. Now, why you need to verify your channel: you can't upload your custom thumbnail if your channel is not verified, and you cannot post videos of more than 15 minutes on your channel if your channel is not verified, and you can't also live stream if your channel is not verified. So now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to verify your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is to use your web browser. I use Chrome here, and you're going to type in www.youtube.com. Once this pops up, you're going to change the site to desktop site. Now you're going to click on your profile picture at the right hand corner, and then you're going to click on YouTube Studio. Once this shows, at the bottom left corner you're going to see a settings button, and you're going to click on it. Now you're going to click on channel, the second option, and then you're going to click on feature eligibility. To verify your channel, you're going to click on the intermediate features, and you're going to go down. You're going to see verify phone number. You're going to click on verify phone number. Once this is done, you're going to select your country and click on text me the verification code. It's more efficient than call me with an automated voice message. And you're going to type in your phone number at the space left for phone number, and then after that you click on get code. Once you click on get code, a 6-digit verification code is going to be sent to you, and you're going to type it in at the line there and click on submit. Once you see this, your phone number is verified and your YouTube channel is verified.